Hello, my name is Kevin Killeen, Global Product Line Manager for Flame Detection at MSA Safety. Today I will be showing you how to upgrade from an FL4000H to an FL5000 MSIR flame detector. Are you a customer who already has an FL4000H installed, but you're ready to upgrade to the latest and greatest in flame technology? Well, look no further than the FL5000. With enhanced performance and false alarm suppression, along with Bluetooth technology and 22 FM verified fuel sources, you're gonna want this detector. The FL5000 has the same footprint as the FL4000H for an easy upgrade. No need to run new conduit or pour new seals on your detector. No need for a new mounting bracket. Simply order an FL5000 upgrade kit and you can easily swap them out. Here we have our FL4000H flame detector, and here we have our FL5000 upgrade kit. First, we will unscrew these 5 bolts and remove the optical housing. After that, we will remove the wiring from the FL4000H relay board. Then, take off the 4 screws holding in the FL4000H relay board and remove it. Save these screws as we will need them for our next step. Remove the FL4000H relay board and set it aside. Now take our FL5000 relay board and we're going to put it into the base housing using the same screws we just removed. Now, wire it up for your application. After you've completed your wiring, simply place the FL5000 optical housing on and screw in the 5 bolts. Now we supply power and watch it turn on. You have successfully upgraded your FL4000H to an FL5000. Congratulations! Thank you for watching and make it a safe day.